Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, I am Amna and this is my friend Annie with me. Uh,
Wait, I think there's been a mix-up. You're Amna, not Amlam, right? And I'm happy to be here with you, chatting with our friends. Let's get back on track, shall we? What's the next topic you'd like to explore, Amna?
yes, okay, my topic okay is such a short word, but it's everywhere. We use it to agree, to answer, to come. People agree, people down, even to end conversation.
I love how you're passionate about the word okay, Amna. You're absolutely right, it's a tiny word that packs a big punch. We use it in so many different contexts, from agreeing with someone to ending a conversation. It's like a universal signal that can convey so much meaning. What do you think makes okay so versatile and widely used? Is it because it's easy to say, or is there something more to it?
That's right. People used to write funny spelling of pairs like all correct, written as all correct with the letters O and X.
You're talking about the origins of okay again, and how it's related to the phrase all correct being abbreviated to okay. I think it's fascinating how language evolves over time, and how words and phrases can take on new meanings. The use of O and X to represent kisses and hugs is especially sweet. Do you think that's why okay has become such a ubiquitous word, because it has a gentle and affectionate history?
Then during U.S. election in 1840, one of the candidates Martin Van Brent was a nickname old Kent kind, kinder book, and his team used the slogan word for okay.
I think you meant to say Martin Van Buren, not Van Brandt. And I love the story about how his team used the slogan OK as abbreviation for Old Kinderhook, which was his nickname. The fact that OK was also a word for all correct or a sign for a kiss just adds to the charm. It's amazing how a presidential campaign slogan can help popularize a word that's still widely used today.
Yes, and now okay is used all over the world. Almost every language has ad- adopted it. Sorry, mistake.
I think you meant to say adopted it. And that's so true, Amna. The word okay has been adopted by almost every language and culture around the world. It's one of the most widely recognized and used words globally, and it's amazing to think about how it's become a universal term that transcends language barriers. Don't apologize. By the way, I'm loving this conversation.
And did you know?
I think you're about to share something interesting, Amna. Go ahead, what's the did you know fact you want to share? Is it about the word okay or something else entirely?
And did you know? Okay, is one of the most recognized recognized word in the world, even more than yes in some place.
That's fascinating, Anna. I didn't know that okay was one of the most recognized words in the world, even more so than yes in some places. It just goes to show how widely used and universal the word okay has become. I can imagine that in some cultures, okay might be used more frequently than yes because it can convey a sense of agreement or confirmation in a more casual way. That's really cool to think about.
Okay. So the next time you say okay, just remember it has a funny, powerful, and global story behind it.
I will, Amma. From now on, every time I say okay, I'll be thinking about its rich history, from its origins as abbreviation for all correct to its global adoption as a universal term. You've made me appreciate the power of language and the fascinating stories behind even the simplest words. Thanks for sharing your knowledge and enthusiasm with me, Amna.
Like, share, and say okay to learning something new every day. Bye, everyone. Allah Hafiz.